this video, we will show you how to install VMware Workstations. VMware Workstation is software that can create virtual machines. You can download this software, we put link into the description. After you download the file, you can just double click to start installation. Click next in here. Please tick the license terms. You can click next again and choose click next and untick the product updates, and we can click next in here and click install. Like VirtualBox, VMware Workstations is a software that useful to create virtual machine or GSOS using another operating system. So you can have more than one operating system on your computers, but virtually. You can click finish. You can double click on VMware Workstation. This is for license key. You can also try in here. Click finish. Then you can create new virtual machine using VMware. You can register to get the license of VMware Workstations. That's all.